In these next 5 minutes, we're going to go back to these entries and look up what they mean in English if you're trying to figure out this sentence as a new language learner. So let's do that. 5 minutes on the clock, just like last time, and go. We can also search with the Latinized letters. So let me show you what that looks like. You type that in here, and it still shows you the word. Now we have to go down a little bit to get the definition. Oops, let's try that again. There we go. So aboy means my father. Let's copy and paste that. Habasha is Habasha, we know that. So we move on to the third word. Again, we can copy and paste the Latinized letters too. Let's try that one here. Yeah, here we go. Scroll down a little bit to get the meaning. So he or male, it is. So we know my father is a he. We can take this down to just is. Moving on to the next word. All right, we got ade again. Scroll down for the meaning. This one is my mother. To the next word. It's already here, so we don't have to search for it. Scroll down for the meaning. And or also, we'll be able to figure out from the rest of the sentence which one it is. Next word. Searching again with Latin letters. Got to scroll down for the meaning. A female African. Next word. A female American. Last word. And we are only 3 minutes in. Up. There we go. Scroll down for the meaning. She, female, it is. And we know my mother is female, so we can just get this down to is. Let's look at what we got. My father, Habasha, is. My mother, and are also female American, a female African, a female American. So since these are two descriptors, we can take out this part. And also is usually for additions, but sometimes with things that are the same, I would use and here. My father, Habasha, is. My mother, and a female African American is. That's the literal translation. If we were going to write it as a real English sentence with still 1 minute to go, my father is Habasha and my mother is African American. Time. We're only 10 minutes in and we got so much done. What do you think would be the third step that you could do here? Well, this is where you have options. If you're learning as a new person, you would want to go back to these entries again and look at the cultural notes to see if there's anything in there that you should know. If you're already a native speaker and you're trying to use this tool to learn how to read, you would want to go back to the actual sentence in Tigrinya and try and decode it letter by letter. I'm going to show you both, but if you're listening as a new learner, I'll put that first. I'd love to hear your comments and questions no matter what platform you're on. I want to hear what you think because I'll apply that feedback for the next episode in 2 weeks. Until then, Bruk ma'alti. Oh yeah, P.S. If you want to have something to practice your Tigrinya with and read a nice short story, this sentence is from Tigrinlish Volume 1. Love served with injera. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, now bye for real. Ciao!